In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off one-handed mode. All you need to do is go into tab menu and look for one hand shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. To change placement of it, click on this icon of one-handed mode located on the right or on the left. If you want to go back to standard size screen, you can either click on this X, also on the right or on the left, or tap on the same shortcut as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!